It is Friday, January 5th, 2018, and we're just on a road trip out to Calgary. Gonna have dinner at a fancy furniture store. How many dates do you say that to? I started my career back in 1995 as a print designer, and somewhere along the way I became a graphic designer, an interaction designer, and a visual designer. So my life has been pixels versus paper for an awfully long time, and I've really discounted print. But I gotta tell you, there's a throwback, there's a part of me that really loves a quality print piece.
Hit it.
So Adobe spared no expense when they put this magazine together. This was a thank you for early adopters of Adobe XD for providing community feedback. From the stock to the gold foil to the embossing, the photography, even the writing is great.